When a child sees laundry, what does he do? He messes it up. Good throw. Good throw. Where's Sadie? Where's Sadie? Where's Sadie? You ready? Watch, Levi. You ready? Watch. You ready? Is that funny? It's not funny now because it's under the couch. Here, Sadie. Pick up the couch. Get the ball. Go. Where'd it go? How did you do that? Oh, here. That's a sock. Good throw, though, lefty. Okay, here, one more time. Watch, Levi. Ready? Look. Ready? Where's the ball? Where's the ball? Mommy's not home yet. Come on. She's not home yet. Come on. She'll be here in a little bit. Whoops. Now what are you doing? There's somebody over there. Uh-oh. Got the belt out. Uh-oh. Got the belt out. Where are you going? Where are you going? Hey, Levi. Levi, can you clap your hands? Can you clap? Can you clap your hands? Can you clap your hands? Can you stomp your feet? Stomp. Stomp your feet. Stomp. Come on, stomp your feet. Stomp your feet. I see nothing moving. And there's a no. Where you going? Can you shake, shake, shake? Can you shake, shake, shake? No? No shake, shake, shake? Shake, shake, shake? Can you do touchdown? Can you do touchdown? Touchdown! I can do that. I can do a touchdown, people. Say bye. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Nope.